Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 1 for Unit 1 and 2. Are you ready?
Go.
All right. So if you are ready, please introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Leo.
And how old are you, Leo?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, you are 10 years old. And where are you from? Where are you from?
Yes.
I'm
from Vietnam.
Okay, so yes, you are from Vietnam. And how are you today?
I'm fine today.
Okay, you are happy today. Are you happy today?
Happy.
Okay, so you are happy. So we will now begin your speaking test, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with your speaking test. For the part 1, you will identify the objects you can see here. All right? Ready?
Go.
Okay, so please stand up, Leo, and tell us what you can see in the picture. Okay, stand up. This is
a glue.
very good. No, okay, just say the name. Just say the name. Next.
He is a boy.
Okay, he is a boy. Next.
Is a driver.
Okay, next.
She is a girl.
Very good. Next.
Is a pencil case.
It's not a pencil case. What's that?
Yes.
Yes, it's a.
It's a pencil.
Okay, very good. Next.
It's a backpack.
Wow, great job. Okay, next. So here, Leo, what can you see?
She is my teacher.
Okay, and next.
Is a pen.
All right, and?
Is a pencil case.
Okay.
Is a ruler.
Okay, good job.
It's an apple.
It's an?
It's an apple.
Very good. Very good, Leo, for the first part of your speaking test. So let's move on to the second part. Okay, so Leo, in this part, you will click and move it and then say the name and where is it, okay? For example, it's a ruler. It's on the table.
It's a ruler.
What's that?
It's a ruler.
It's not a ruler. Look carefully. What's that? It's a
It's a
glue.
ruler.
It's a glue.
Glue.
Okay, where is the glue?
It's a glue.
Where is it?
It's a
on
glue. On glue.
the glue
Glue
is
is
on the.
the table.
Okay, good job. Next. Okay, what is that, Leo?
The ruler is on the table.
Okay, good job.
The driver is on the table.
Wow. Okay, next.
The backpack is on the table.
Okay, next.
The pen is on the table.
All right.
The pencil is on the table.
Okay, great job.
The apple is on the table.
Okay. Yes, next. How about that?
The pencil case is on the table.
Okay, great job. And who are they?
She is a girl.
Okay, next.
He is a boy.
Okay, and? Okay, wait. Okay, next. Click it. Okay. Whoops, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, Leo. Okay, who is she?
She is my teacher.
All right, good job, Leo, for finishing the second part. Now let's move on to the third part of your speaking test. So in this part, you will tell me which picture is not belong to the group or which is different. Is it picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Ready? Okay, so if you are ready, Leo, so which picture is different?
Picture 3
Picture 3, why? What can you see in picture 3?
is an apple.
All right, it's an apple. Apple is a fruit. And these three are school supplies. Okay, so which one is different?
Picture 4
Picture 4, what can you see in picture 4? It's a?
is a is
It's a?
is a dress.
It's a chair.
Dress.
Yes, chair. Can you say chair?
Dress.
What is the color of the chair?
It
Is it black? Is it orange? Is it brown? What's the color of the chair?
brown.
So can you say it's a brown chair?
It's a brown chair.
Very good, Leo. So picture 4 is different. Okay, how about in this picture?
Picture 1
Picture 1, why? Picture 1 is? Picture 1 is?
is a ball.
It's not.
No.
Yes?
Is an orange.
Yes, it's an orange. An orange is a fruit. While these three, toy car, ball, and teddy bears are toys. Okay? So, how about in this picture?
Picture 2
Okay, picture 2. What is picture 2? It's a?
is a ruler.
Okay, it's a ruler. Okay, so in the last part of your speaking test, you have to answer some personal questions. So, are you ready?
Good.
Okay, so what is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is football.
Okay, it's a ball.
It's a ball.
Okay, your favorite toy is a ball. Okay, so what is the color of your ball?
Yes,
What is the color? Is it red, blue, white?
blue.
It's blue. Have you got a watch? Have you got a watch? Yes, watch.
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Do you like yogurt or apples? Which one do you like, yogurt or apples?
I am apple.
Oh, you love apples. Why do you like apples?
Apple, yummy.
Okay, yeah, apples are yummy. Have you got a pencil sharpener in your school bag? Do you have a pencil sharpener in your backpack?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, I have.
All right. So who is your best friend in our class, Leo? Who is your best friend?
My
Yes, who is your best friend?
my ne-
Best?
my tree.
My best friend?
My best friend tree
He is
is
three.
tree.
Okay, it's 3. So 3 is funny or tall?
He favorite author.
Yes, is 3 is funny. He is funny or he is tall?
Tree favorite author.
Your friend 3. Yes, 3. He is tall or he is funny?
Funny.
Okay, so he is funny. So 3, your friend 3 got a rubber and a pen. Is 3 got a pencil and a rubber?
Rubber.
Yes, he has or no, he hasn't.
No, he has.
No, he hasn't. Do you have a sister? Do
No.
you have a sister?
No.
No. How about a brother?
Yes.
Yeah, so your brother is big or small?
Big.
It's big. He is big. Okay, very good. For Leo, for finishing your speaking test. Good job. Job well done. So before we end this speaking test, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yes, bye-bye.